They say in Tokyo, there's a subway line that doesn't exist on any map. Trains still stop there, but only for the dead. It started with a student named Aya. She missed the last train one night, so she took a shortcut through an abandoned tunnel. The lights flickered. Her phone lost signal. Then she heard the next train coming, even though the tracks ended there. People said they found her bag, her shoes, even her phone, but no Aya. Since that night, commuters claim they see her reflection in the train windows, sitting in a car that isn't there, a ghostly reflection with a smile that isn't human.